Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I have an unboxing of the NewBeauty TestTube winter box for you. It's kind of a heavy one. Let me set that down. We'll be unboxing it and giving away one of the items in there to one of you. I cannot wait. Speaking of giveaways, every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Trend Beauty Glam Babe palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. So let you look at mine really quick. Like I said, I do all my swatches. I do all my looks and everything for my palette because I don't give away used items on this channel. So here's what it looks like. Such a pretty palette. So in the description box down below, under current giveaways, it'll take you to a link how to enter this one. There's also a bunch of other giveaways in there as well. There is a 2 FabFitFun giveaways. We've got this one that'll be under today's giveaway. I've got another Ipsy one still to come. I've got my 1,800 subscriber one still to come. So there's like a lot of giveaways. In giveaways, you must be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. So I'm already starting setting stuff aside for when we hit that 2,000. Like there's some really big stuff in there. So help us get to 1,900 and then help us get to 2,000. If you haven't subscribed already, we're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Ciate London Spice Palette. And just a sneak, this is the palette that we will be giving away for the month of January. So we'll do an introduction of that come the 1st of January, which kind of looks like this. I'm in the middle right now of doing looks for it. And I kind of use this outer kind of area right in here and with this one in the inner corner today. So the NewBeauty TestTube is one of the oldest subscription beauty boxes out there, you guys. And it's from the people who do the NewBeauty magazine. So everything is very, very curated. And their magazines, you guys, let me pull it out. Because with your subscription, you do get this really hefty kind of magazine as well. All sorts of good tips and everything in here. Love it. This month's box is all about the colder months are here, which means it's time for a seasonal refresh on all self-care practices. Explore your winter tube filled with high-quality products to help you jumpstart your winter reset. So they have different levels of membership you can do. So if you do the annual, you will be billed $200.60 a year, which brings it to $50.15 per tube. If you do the seasonal, you'll be billed quarterly, and it'll make your box $59. I need my glasses. So some of the membership perks are a unique mixture of cult favorites and newly discovered beauty brands and products spanning a range of categories, each stamped with approval of the NewBeauty editors. You'll also get exclusive product offers. Promotions can be found from featured brands on almost every page of the digital booklet that accompanies each shipment, exclusive to NewBeauty TestTube members only, and of course you do get that magazine as well. They used to do it where it came out every other month, and now it comes out once a quarter. So this is the winter box. You guys, the very first thing I'm picking up, excited by, it is $100 worth of product. It is so this one thing right here just paid for that entire box. So it's the LMS Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It's clinically proven to significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 14 days to deliver instant and 24-hour hydration. This powerful night cream takes advantage of skin's optimal time for regeneration overnight to target signs of aging and reveal a radiant, firmer looking complexion upon waking. Yes, 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 please. So one thing that I've noticed is that you guys, I have found some really good things in here, like some amazing staples in these boxes before, and it's mainly more towards skincare. There's usually 1 or 2 hair care products and maybe 1 or 2 makeup products, but the rest is all skincare. So if you're looking for a pro skincare box, this is one that I would recommend. So this is a hydropeptide polypeptide collagen eye masks. And it's full of collagen supporting peptides and hydrating nutrients to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while brightening age spots. These no mess masks promote a youthful, energized eye area. Now this does retail for $49 and there are 8 treatments in here. Remember, something in here we're giving away to one of you. From Flora's, a soft blooming feather touch precision eye brush with an expertly crafted feathered handle for precision application. This eye brush allows you to create perfectly blended personalized looks for any occasion. It does retail for $22. Oh, you guys. This is stunning. Okay, so here's this end, right? I absolutely love this dark green color. This is so soft. This is beautiful, you guys. I've never been this geeked out about how gorgeous an eye brush looks, but this, and it's got some weight behind it. This is really cool. From Milkshake is a leave-in conditioner. It's specially formulated to condition normal to slightly dry hair and make damaged hair easier to comb after using other conditioners or treatments. This powerful leave-in conditioner generates optimum hair moisture balance and outer hair protection. It does retail for $23. So also from Flora's, the same people who did that amazing eye brush, is a Blooming Rouge porcelain lipstick. It's beautiful from the inside out and take design inspiration from pure white porcelain of the Chinese Ding Kiln. The lightweight lipstick features a non-drying matte finish and comes encapsulated in delicate porcelain case. Retail for $39. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like a texture. Yes, this is so pretty. This company's Flora's has done an amazing job on their packaging. Look, oh my goodness, you guys. Can you see the details? And that just goes into the lipstick. Gorgeous. It's not really a shade that I would normally wear. So this is either going to go in today's giveaway or a future one. Oh, you guys. Can't wait for one of you guys to have this. I wish it was in a shade that I would wear because that looks amazing. I need to check out more things from that brand. So from Sakura Life is a detox water drops retailing for $39. This thing's kind of heavy. Packed with chlorophyll, the green pigment that enables plants to turn sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. These detoxifying drops help the body get rid of toxins by moving them as waste through the GI tract. What is this? Mix 1 full dropper of detox water drops with 16 ounces of water, adding up to 3 additional droppers to taste. Drink and enjoy the benefits of plant-powered detoxification. So basically it's a water drop for your drink. There's 2 bottles in here. They're the exact same thing. There's 2 chlorophyll water drops. From Naturopathic is a face mask. Made with pure ingredients, these masks offer spa-like holistic herb remedies for irritation, dull skin, dryness, and exhausted skin. Each tube will contain 1 of 4 masks: Ruby and Dragon's Blood Love Mask, a Chill Chocolate Vitamin Stress Mask, Amethyst Peace Mask, or Green Tourmaline Energy Mask. This is the Chill Chocolate Vine Stress Mask. And it is a bouncy, full-bodied mask featuring smoothing chocolate, vine and moisturizing, fair trade cocoa butter, recharged, stressed out, and fatigued skin for a rejuvenated complexion, while its rich chocolate aromatherapy helps promote relaxation and a sense of well-being. Looks like that. It smells so yummy. It smells so yummy. Like it just, white chocolate is my favorite chocolate. My favorite. I don't like dark chocolate. I don't like caffeine, and I don't like dark chocolate, but this, that retails for $48. From Diane's Goat Milk Skincare is a caramel pumpkin spice goat milk hand cream. Delight your skin and your senses with a goat milk infused hand cream and one of their favorite fall fragrances. Give tired, rough hands ample moisture and a delicious scent without greasy residue. And that one does retail for $5. From After Spa's Bath and Shower Exfoliating Gloves. Perfect for a pre-tan ritual or to simply deeply exfoliate your skin. After Spa's Bath and Shower Exfoliating Gloves help to create radiant, clean, soft skin, sloughing off dead skin cells. That retails for $7. From Invisible. I haven't seen these like this before. I've usually just seen the little plastic ones. This is Power Play Date. And it's specifically formatted hair love technology and carefully created spiral design. The hair tie ensures a non-slip grip and worry-free settle for all hair types. The Invisible Power Play Date is scientifically proven to cause 31% less damage, leave 68% fewer marks, and cause 100% less pain than compared to generic hair ties. It looks like it's kind of got like a velvet kind of texture to it. And those retail for $12. Now, one of my favorite hand creams, remember how I said I found staples in here before? When my hands get overly chapped, or like a lot of times my elbows do, I think, because I rest like this, you know, sometimes on a chair or something. This stuff is amazing. It's the Dr. Rogers Skincare Restore Healing Balm. And first developed to heal highly sensitized post-procedure skin, this multitasking balm has a quick become a staple in dermatology offices, medicine cabinets, and makeup artist kits thanks to its ability to heal, hydrate, and protect the skin. Guys, this box was really, really good. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So on Saturday night, we're going to this kind of basque. It's called the Sheepherders Ball. And it's where the Onkares, the Basque dance group around here, perform. And so the secret word of the day is sheepherders. So let's do giveaway that goat milk hand cream. There's no sense in me having 2 hand creams that I got in today's box. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also make sure to put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on the form if you did do those bonus entries. Only mark on the form if you did do them, actually, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 extra ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Go follow me on Twitter. It's that same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. You can follow me on TikTok. It's the same name as this channel, Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus or entry. Share it with your family, your friends, on your social networks. all of that. It really helps out the channel when you guys do. I'm trying really hard to get those watch time minutes up, and I can only do it with your help by you guys sharing, liking the videos, watching them in their entirety, commenting, that sort of thing. It really helps out, and I really do appreciate it. Speaking of which, YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it when I can make somebody else happy. That's why I do these giveaways, to do that in a way to say thank you to you guys. Giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Let's do this giveaway. Go through January 6th. I'll have all my giveaways for the month of December. They'll all be ending that day, so make sure to enter those other giveaways if you haven't already. Then on January 11th, I will take from all the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial, the last name, if they've done what they're supposed to be doing on the bonus entries, I'll put that all in the computer. The computer spins the name around. The computer picks, so don't ask to win. And as soon as the giveaways are over and I mail out those forms, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share your information. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. And I want you guys to know that I take your privacy very seriously. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. If you don't, no worries. Hopefully we'll see you soon. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves. Take care for one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.